Hello, it's Lori. Welcome back to my home kitchen. We are so excited at the Produce Moms for back to school season. It's been a lovely summer. We all loving having our kids at home, but there is that special joy when school returns each and every late summer, early fall. So we're looking forward to that. And I thought that in the spirit of the back to school season that I would share some of our favorite items from Naturipe Snacks on how to make back to school, a less chaotic and easier time for us all. We do need those shortcuts in the kitchen. We do need those shortcuts for the lunch boxes. And Naturipe Snacks has 3 amazing products just for that reason and many more, but we're going to focus on the back to school application today. So let's zoom in here and take a look at what we're working with. They have 3 primary product lines in the Naturipe Snacks. We'll start here with the Boost Bento. This is what I like to call, it's kind of like, think of it as like a charcuterie board in a box. So you've got really nice cheeses, you have fresh fruit, and you have tree nuts in these. And then we'll come over here. The Bliss Bento is kind of like the Boost Bento's, best friend. They're very similar. These are just around 200 calories each. So a very light meal or a hearty snack. You're of course getting half of your Bliss Bento is that fresh fruit with the Naturipe blueberries. And then you have a little granola snack and then a really nice crunchy snack. They've got crunchy chickpeas as well as tree nuts in the Bliss Bento. And then this is the newest product line within the Naturipe Snacks. And I absolutely love these berry parfaits. First of all, they're so convenient, ready to go. We'll open up this one here that is the Vanilla Crunch. But you can see both, regardless of which one you're choosing. They've got those fresh Naturipe blueberries, and then they have the Chobani Greek yogurt, as well as a pre-portioned little sachet here of the granola. So you've got your blueberries. These are washed and ready to eat. It's really important, I should mention that all of these are washed and ready to eat. And then you take your vanilla yogurt, put it right into your snack bowl here. These are brands that we all trust and love. Chobani Greek yogurt, Naturipe blueberries. Such a classic, yum. And then we're gonna add the crunchy granola. And this is the most delicious Greek yogurt parfait that you can buy that's ready to eat at the grocery store. It's got the best ingredients, the freshest blueberries. As a matter of fact, Naturipe Snacks is the only snack line that you can buy at the produce department that has those fresh blueberries in it. So we really love working with everyone at Naturipe. They're an extremely, they're just a joy to work with. So it's a company full of good people that's all about serving their farmers. So they've been in business for a long time, like nearly, I think it's over a century now at this point. So truly honored to work with this brand and to help them make fruits and vegetables, the fresh produce. Anytime we can make fresh produce the easy snack, the easy choice, anytime we can make that the center and the highlight of snacking, we are winning as moms. So I can think of so many ways where Naturipe Snacks can be used during this back to school season. Breakfast, obviously, in the lunchbox, after school snacks. As a parent, when you're packing your kids' lunches, it's like, okay, the last person on the list is us as moms. These are a great way for you to eat healthy throughout the day as well. So thank you to everyone at Naturipe. Happy back to school to all of the moms and dads out there, and of course to all the children. Have a great school year and look for Naturipe Snacks in the produce department.